On sigmamind AI platform, your conversations page acts as a command center for all the calls that your AI agent has either received or made. You have a list of all your recent calls. You get your call details like the source, the time, the date, which agent made the call or which agent received it, the reason it got terminated, everything. And you can filter it further with AI agent, the date range, and also the time zone. You can also export these as a CSV file from right here. What's more is that when you click on any of these calls, what you see is a message history, the entire transcript of the conversation, so you can figure out where your AI agent did not understand the intent or said something wrong. You can listen to the recording as well and download it. You have node level logs, you have execution logs. This gives you the visibility of how your AI agent performs in the real world. Every message, every call, every decision, every action. Thank you.